Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, wind in your hair, and the open road ahead. Suddenly, a foreboding pool of coolant appears beneath your car, the telltale sign of a leaking radiator. Panic sets in. But fear not, fellow road warrior. In this comprehensive guide, we're about to embark on a journey to demystify the enigma of radiator leaks and equip you with the know-how to fix it. Buckle up as we unveil the secrets to keeping your car cool and leak-free. Understanding the culprit. Before we delve into the solutions, let's decipher the root cause of a leaking radiator. Corrosion, worn-out hoses, or a damaged radiator cap are often the villains behind this automotive woe. Over time, wear and tear can compromise the integrity of these components, leading to leaks that jeopardize your engine's health. Diagnosing the leak. The first step to remedy any ailment is a proper diagnosis. Is the leak due to a cracked radiator, a damaged hose, or a failing gasket? A systematic inspection of your car's cooling system will reveal the extent of the issue. Once identified, you're ready to roll up your sleeves and embark on the journey of fixing the leak. Solutions to seal the deal. Radiator sealant. This magical elixir is designed to patch up minor leaks by forming a protective layer inside the radiator. Simply pour the sealant into your radiator, let it circulate, and witness the transformation as it seals the leak. Replace worn-out hoses. Over time, hoses can become brittle and prone to cracks. Inspect all hoses connected to the radiator and replace any that show signs of wear. This simple yet effective solution can prevent coolant from escaping and keep your engine running smoothly. Radiator repair epoxy. For small cracks or holes in the radiator, epoxy designed for radiator repair can work wonders. Clean the affected area, apply the epoxy, and let it cure. It forms a durable seal, ensuring your radiator stays leak-free. Professional repair. In cases of severe damage, seeking professional help is advisable. Experienced mechanics can assess the extent of the leak and perform repairs, or recommend a replacement if necessary. Embarking on the journey to fix a leaking radiator is a challenge, but armed with knowledge, you're well on your way to reclaiming the smooth, leak-free rides you deserve. Don't let radiator leaks put a dent in your driving pleasure. Subscribe to our newsletter for more automotive wisdom. Share this guide with fellow road warriors and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Let's keep the roads leak-free and the engines roaring. Safe travels!